How to get 1099 from Airbnb. So ensure you meet the criteria set by Airbnb for receiving a 1099. For the tax year 2023, this includes earning over $20,000 from reservations or having over 200 different reservations in the same calendar year. Log into your Airbnb host account. Click on your profile picture and then choose Account. Check that your taxpayer information is correct. Navigate to the Taxes section where you'll find your tax documents. The 1099 form should be saved there. At the end of January, Airbnb typically sends a notification when your form is prepared. Ensure all details on the form are accurate. If you believe you should have received a form but haven't, double check your account information and ensure you meet the reporting requirements. If you still haven't received your form or believe there's an issue, contact Airbnb support for assistance. Use the information provided on the 1099 form to report your income accurately when filing your annual federal and state income taxes. Thanks for watching.